Okay, so I'm here with the circuit board again from my 1975 CitiCar. This is the board that sits in the back of the speedometer, and it controls the light for the motor hot. So basically there's a switch, a thermostatic switch in the motor, and when it is not hot, it's closed, providing ground onto the second terminal from the bottom, 33B. We have plus 12 volts in here on 19A. We have negative 12 volts here on 5K. Here on 37B is, I've got this backwards. Oh, no, I don't. I was saying it backwards. 33B provides power out to the light. This should be connected to the motor and providing ground. Right now it's not, so that was indicating a hot motor. The light is lit. When I connect ground to it, the light goes out. Now what I don't know about this, yep, there it goes. Light comes back on now when the switch opens again and there's no ground on that terminal. We apply ground to the terminal and the light goes out. So the board is now working correctly. Like I said, I sent this out to a local shop and they repaired this board for me. This capacitor, the original one had leaked, and that was probably what shorted out this transistor. So both of those were replaced, as well as he cleaned up all of the connections on these terminals, which were really high resistance, and also just cleaned up any solder joints that were bad. So I'm really happy to have this working again. And now I know that if the switch in the motor opens, the motor hot light will go on.